RedwoodBridges.com offers handcrafted products to customers who desire the beauty and quality that comes with custom woodworking. Are you looking for a professional craftsman? Professional craftsman Rod Bird has provided custom woodworking since 1999, producing handcrafted garden bridges, picnic tables, and garden decor items such as arbors, trellises, gnome doors, birdhouses, benches, and a whole lot more. Now here's the website, www.redwoodbridges.com, or you can call Rod today at 479-243-0375 for a price quote on a beautiful garden bridge or for custom woodworking. You'll find everything that you need to make your front or your backyard a beautiful landscape at redwoodbridges.com. Rodney Bird, the owner of Redwood Bridges, loves what he does and the services that he can provide through the products that he can create. Visit Rod today and see for yourself at www.redwoodbridges.com or call 479-243-0375.